Have you seen tulips this spring? Although spring is over and summer has come, we are going to make paper tulips today. Hi everyone, welcome to the House of Paper. Prepare 2 square sheets of paper, glue, and scissors. Fold the paper in half along diagonal lines. Fold both the right and the left corners up diagonally to make petals. Here we have pink tulip. How easy it is! To make the stem of the flower, fold the paper in half along diagonal line. Unfold and put the paper in a diamond shape. Fold the top 2 edges to meet the middle crease. Fold it in half. Fold the bottom part up and ta-da! Here we have the tulip and the stem of it. Cut the bottom tip of the tulip to put the stem into the flower. Paste top and bottom flaps of both the flower and the stem together with the glue. Look! We have tulip garden here. How was today's paper folding? Please subscribe to have fun with us and see you next time. Bye!